welcome back to my channel and welcome to the what feels like 100th moving vlog on my channel, but it's a new moving vlog series we have going on. If you didn't see my recent life update video, I am moving back to my beautiful, amazing beach city, Busan. I just woke up, by the way, so my hair and my everything is an absolute mess. I'm gonna fix it later. Yeah, I'm moving back to Busan. You can watch that video if you missed it. I explain everything, but overall I'm just moving back for my happiness. So I think today we're gonna kick off the moving vlogs. What's nice is I did just move here 2 months ago, so I already decluttered a lot of my stuff, so I don't really have a lot of stuff to declutter. And packing is going to be really easy, but I just wanted to vlog my last few days here in Seoul. Another nice thing is I have like turnover time, if that makes sense. So the next people aren't moving into my apartment until like 3 weeks later, and that means that like I don't really have to clean everything out of here. I just need to take everything with me at once because I am hiring a mover. So yeah, I'm gonna start the vlog today, and then there will probably be like 4 parts to this video. Today in specific, I'm not doing a lot of moving stuff though. I'm gonna just save all my packing for tomorrow. And yeah, I just want to vlog today though because I am gonna be going out and about, and like, you know, might as well just vlog. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, sorry, I look like I'm a lion with like a huge mane. I need to go take a shower. But today I'm meeting a couple friends out in the Hongdae area. So I'm gonna be out there from like 1 to 6 probably, so quite a while. So I'm just enjoying kind of a slow morning in my bed. So today's Wednesday. Thursday I'm gonna pack. Friday I'm flying to Busan and I'm signing my lease, and I get to like, the apartment is mine on Friday. And then Saturday a mover is coming to this apartment. I'm not gonna be here, but he's coming and he's bringing all my stuff, and I'm meeting him in Busan. So it's kind of like a very spread out process, if that makes sense, but I just think that works best for me, is just to go there and do it all, and then the next day all my stuff comes. It's a little bit stressful when like you sign your lease and you move in within like the same hour. It's very stressful actually. So yeah, that's kind of like the rundown. I'm gonna go ahead and just enjoy my coffee, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. I have somebody that's about to come and pick up a ton of lightly used cosmetics, and I know the first time that I moved, I got a lot of questions about what app I was using to get rid of stuff quickly. So I use this. It's called Carrot. I forgot the Korean name for it. But this is like the most commonly used buy sell app, I think, in Korea. You can also use like the Facebook pages for foreigners, but I think this one is just a lot quicker and easier. I've noticed that Korean people are like really quick to come pick stuff up, and you literally just make a post, picture, name, category, price, and then it like posts in your area. And there's so much stuff on here, and it's like really just like random but cool stuff. So yeah, I have people coming to pick up all types of stuff, and this is something that someone's coming to get. So yeah, it feels really good at just to clean it out. I don't know how I accumulated so much stuff. So good. I love a good window seat.
Wow. Very cute.
We tried. Actually, it did turn out decent.
It's cute.
just left the cafe and it's snowing. Is this gonna be my last snow of the year in Seoul? I don't even know if the camera's picking it up. Alright, I'm home now, back in my PJs, and I am cooking myself some dinner. It's just like a pork ribback stew with some rice. I'm gonna eat this and do some editing.
I think eventually the company would have been a great success if it was allowed to run.
When it comes to our update, it is pouring with snow. I looked out the window like 20 minutes ago and it wasn't sticking, and now the entire, I don't even know if you guys can see, the entire ground, everything is covered with snow. I might take you guys outside. Yeah, let's go outside. I think it's gonna be like my last big snowfall in Seoul, so might as well just live it up. Wow. Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday, which means it is our packing day. I am gonna try and get it all done fairly early because I want to do some editing and studying Korean this afternoon / evening. So I'm gonna go grab a coffee right now in the snow. I just woke up, guys. Sorry, I'm exhausted. I'm gonna go grab a coffee, come back, and literally just get to work, and hopefully we can get all this packing done by, I don't know, hopefully by 1. What time is it now? It's like not even 9 o'clock. All right, so for moving, I'm gonna be using these big bags, same bags that I used to move around Korea the past couple times. I really like them because you can just fold them down after, but looking at these, I might need to go get more. I feel like I threw out a couple once I moved, but I'm just gonna start packing my clothes in here. And I cleaned out a lot of my clothes, so I feel like I don't even have that much stuff, which is a huge relief. Cosmetics time. This is like my cosmetics closet, and I'm basically just going to empty everything into this bag. I am really relieved. This whole thing is going really easily and quickly because I've already decluttered everything. So everything in here I'm basically taking. I just need to figure out a way to store it properly so that the stuff doesn't get everywhere. I'm gonna put in here are just all of my acrylic containers. I love these so much. Gotta have them for organization. Okay, so I'm actually about to walk over to the bank and I'm going to pay my deposit, the key money that you have to pay when you move into a new apartment. In Korea, it ranges depending on where you're living. In Seoul, it's typically gonna be, like for a decent place, it's usually about 10 million, which is about $10,000. In Busan though, it's typically honestly 5 to 10. Like I actually asked my landlord if I could do 10 in Busan and have a cheaper rent, because usually that's how it works. The more deposit you put down, the less your rent is, and my landlord was like, no, I only want 5. So I actually lucked out. My deposit is a lot less in Busan. So I gotta go transfer that to them. Usually you can do all that on your phone, but I have like a limit of like how much I can transfer on my phone. So I have to go to the bank to do that, and then I will get the deposit back from this apartment in a couple of weeks. So yeah, the money you put down, it's not like you're just spending that money and like never getting it back. You definitely get it back as long as there's no damages. It's basically just a way for the landlord to ensure that if you miss rent or if there's any damages, they have the money to pay for it. But it's just crazy because I feel like in America, if you ever asked a tenant for a $10,000 key deposit, you'd be like, what? But yeah, it's just really normal here. Anyways, I'm gonna go do that. I gotta kind of hurry because they take their last appointment at like 3:30 and it's already about 3. So I will go there and I'll let you guys know how it goes. Okay, our little bank venture went well. I got that all situated, and then I stopped at the convenience store. I got some of these. I forgot how convenient these were last time I moved. They're basically vegetable storage bags, and it's nice because what you can do, I'm going to show you guys how I use these. These are a little bit smaller than what I used last time, but they're so nice just for transporting random stuff like spices, and I put like my forks and stuff in here, and it just keeps everything organized. And then I also picked up my favorite snackety snack. These are kamtui. I don't know. Yeah, they're amazing, and they're like sweet but spicy at the same time. It's basically just like a chip. So good. Anyways, that was a nice little packing break. I'm gonna kind of get back to it though, and I'll keep you guys updated. All right, time to take down my curtains. I am so excited though to have these at my next apartment because they're gonna be so pretty. Little flowy beach curtains. Alright, this is what we're working with. I've got almost everything packed. Don't mind all of the bras and everything drying out over there. Over here, curtains are down. As I mentioned, I don't know if I mentioned it in this video, but the people that are moving into my apartment next, they are buying the sofa, the mirror off me, and my bed. So none of that stuff has to go. I'm moving into a studio, so I think it's smarter for me to get a double-sized bed, which is just a little bit smaller than that. And I think I should get a smaller mirror and a much smaller sofa. So I'm really glad that it's all working out, and the fact that, you know, all that stuff's gonna go to a good home. But the table's coming with me. The console's coming with me. I'm gonna see how it looks in my new place. If it doesn't look good, I'll get rid of it, but I really do like it and I just got it, so I wanna bring it with me. That table, my new tenants are taking, and besides that, all of this other stuff is going to be coming with me. So we're almost done, guys. I know it doesn't really look like it, but I just have clothes to put away. I have recycling to take out, and then in the morning, I'm going to put all the kitchen stuff on the counter for the movers. And that's honestly it. I'm also gonna take a shower, so all my shower stuff is still in there, but we're making progress. Alright, good morning everyone. It is Friday. Today's the day. We are going back to the beach. I feel like I've done everything. I feel really good right now. My mover just called me. I sent him pictures of everything. I've got everything laid out. It's literally the same as what I showed you last night, just a little more organized. I closed up most of the bags. I put some furniture over here. The bed is staying, obviously, and I don't know if I mentioned this, but I'm gonna be coming back here because my lease doesn't end until the end of the month, and I will have a couple reasons to be in Seoul before then. But yeah, this is it. So my flight leaves at 12:30. I'm gonna leave my house in about an hour, And for now, I'm just soaking up the last few minutes here. It's not like I'm done forever though. Like, I'm gonna be coming back here and sleeping here a couple more times. But yeah, today basically I'm going to Busan. I'm going to sign the lease and the place will be mine. So that's kind of what we have on the agenda today. I'm meeting my realtor in Busan at 4 o'clock. So it's gonna be a long day, but I'm excited. Anyways, with that being said, I think I'm just gonna close the vlog off here because this is kind of like the end of chapter 1 of our new moving series. Thank you guys so much for the support and the love on all the recent videos I've been posting. It means the world to me. I'm really excited to be going to a place that I feel inspired, and I know I've already mentioned this, but I literally would not have the means to do this move so quickly if it weren't for you guys and your support. So thank you. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought of it in the comments. I love you guys. Stay tuned for part 2. I'm going to show you my new place in the next video, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.